Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 11D objective questions. One question is written on this board. Question number 1. The compound interest on rupees 5,000 at 8% per annum for 2 years compounded annually is have given P equal to rupees 5,000, R equal to 8% per annum, N equal to 2 years. Then compound interest, first of all find amount equal to, formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to P equal to rupees 5,000 into 1 plus R, rate is 8%, 8 by 100 to the power N is 2. Now 2 for the 8 and 25 for the 100. So rupees 5,000 into LCM is 25. LCM is 25. So 25 plus 2, 27. 27 to the power 2. Now equal to rupees 5,000 into 27 by 25 a square, that means 27 by 25 into 27 by 25. 25 to the 50, 200. 25 8 the 200. Now multiply 27 एवं 27 multiply 27, 729, multiply 8, 9 8 the 72 of 2 carry 7, 2 8 the 16 plus 7 23 of 3 carry 2, 7 8 the 56, 56 carry 2, 56 plus 2 58, rupees 5,832. It is compound, it is amount. So therefore CI equal to A minus P equal to rupees 5,832 minus rupees 5,000 equal to rupees 832. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 6 is written on this board. The compound interest on rupees 6,250. The compound interest on rupees 6,250 at 8% per annum for 1 year compounded half yearly is here given P equal to rupees 6,250 R equal to R equal to 8% per annum. N equal to 1 year. If interest is compounded half yearly, then R is divided by 2 and N is multiplied by 2. So R is divided by 2. 8 by 2, that means 4% half yearly. N is multiplied by 2. So 1 into 2 equal to 2 HY half yearly. Now find amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to P rupees 6,250 into 1 plus R equal to 4%, so 4 by 100, N equal to 2. 25 for the 100 equal to rupees 6,250 into LCM is 25. 25 plus 1, 26 to the power 2. Next step equal to rupees 6,250 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. 25 into 25, 625 and 0, and 25 10 ja 250 equal to 26 into 26, 676, and multiply 10, 6,760 rupees amount. So find CI equal to A minus P. A equal to 6,760 minus P equal to rupees 6,250 equal to subtract है 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 2 5, rupees 510. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 11. The annual rate of growth in population of a town is 13%. The annual rate of growth in population of a town is 10%. If its present population is 33,275. 33,275. What was it 3 years ago? Here annual rate R equal to 10% per annum. R equal to 10% per annum. If its present population, that means A equal to 33,275. What was it 3 years ago? N equal to 3 years. So find P equal to what? Formula is A equal to P into P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to 33,275. Sorry. That implies A equal to 33,275 equal to P into 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 3. 1 0 to 1 0 cancel. Now next step is 33,275 equal to P into LCM 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 10 to the power 2. Sorry, power 3. That implies P equal to 33,275 into 10 by 11 by transposition 10 11 by 10 change into 10 by 11 into 10 by 11 into 10 by 11. So cancel it 11 times 3 to 5 5 10 7 plus 3 10. It is divisible by 11. 11 3 ja 33. 2 7 so 0. 11 2 ja 22. 5 and 5 55. 11 5 ja 55. Next turn 3 to 5 3 to 5. 11 2 ja 22. 8 22 plus 8 30 so 8 to 82. 11 7 ja 77. 82 minus 77. 7 plus 3 5 55. 11 5 ja 55. Now 5 to 7. Now again divisible by 11. So 11 2 ja 22 5 and 11 5 ja equal to 25 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means 25,000. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next and last question is question number 15. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of rupees 7,500 amount to rupees 8,427 in 2 years compounded annually? Here given P equal to rupees 7,500 and A equal to rupees 8,427. N equal to 2 years compounded annually. R equal to what? At what rate? Formula is A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. That implies A equal to rupees 8,427 equal to P equal to rupees 7,500 into 1 plus R equal to what? So R by 100 to the power n. N is 2. Now, next step is rupees 8,427 by rupees 7,500 equal to 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. Here divide 3 times. 25, 3 is 75, so 2,500, and it is divisible by 3 times. 2, 3 is 6. Sorry. Divisible by 3, 3 2 is 6, and 2 4, 24. 3 8 is 24, 2 and 7 0, so 3 9 is. That implies 2,809 divided by 2,500 equal to 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. That implies 2,809 is the power of 53, and 2,500 is the square of 50. So 53 by 50 a square equal to 1 plus R by 100 a square. 2 and 2 is cancelled. So comparing both sides, 1 plus R by 100 equal to 53 by 50. That implies R by 100 equal to plus 1 by transformation change into minus 1. So 53 by 50 minus 1. That implies R by 100 equal to LCM 50. So 53 minus 50, 3 by 50. That implies R equal to 3 by 50 into 100. 52 is 100 equal to 6% per annum answer. Today homework is solve exercise 11D. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 11D. Thank you. That's all.